In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build your own Bitcoin counter. It can be a happy moments or sad moments with the Raspberry Pi Zero right now. How are you doing, everyone? Once again, this is David from MEDIABOXENT, where we like technology and cryptocurrency. If this is your first time on the channel, always hit the letter M right there, and you'll become part of MediaBox. Now, this is running a Raspberry Pi Zero. Pretty simple unit. I will leave all the links right below the video. All the parts required to build it. Actually, I put all together, so it will be real cheap to build it for you. There are a few type of boxes. I like this box, the acrylic box, because it makes it small, so you can put this anywhere. Be careful with the memory you use. If you guys get to too cheap memories, it will give you a problem with Raspberry Pi. And if you look online, a lot of people complaining, why my Raspberry Pi don't start? Why my Raspberry Pi is dead? Because the LED light come on when there is a memory there, when it load up the operating system. So if it's no OS, nothing will happen. You plug it in and it's dead. You will say, why is not? You will think something's wrong. It's different than Raspberry Pi 3. It will have a green line. As soon as you turn on this one, no memory, no nothing, will be totally dead. So be careful with that. In case you build one and it doesn't start, it's because you have a problem with the memory or you did something wrong when you load up the OS into the memory. So it's pretty simple. The only thing is I could not find one that requires no soldering. This one, what requires some soldering is to be done. If we buy the counter comes with the pins. That will be the female pins. You don't have to solder. It seems they don't sell one with all included because it's simple to build. Anyone can build it, but it requires not a little skill because it requires you to solder. Same thing with the Raspberry Pi Zero. Requires the pins too to be soldered. I look online, I don't see one that has all the same solder. Even if you get one solder, then you're going to have to solder the display. So either way, you're going to have to solder something. So that's only maybe that makes it a little hard. But besides that, the program of this thing is real simple. My case is run every 60 seconds. You can change it if you want to more every 10 minutes. I like it every 60 seconds because this rotates. And now you can put it in your living room. You can put it anywhere. It can be a happy or sad moment. So maybe you don't want to look this all the time. But I think it looks cool. I use one for my live stream all the time in my videos. And I'm going to build another one where I'm going to put it right on the living room. I'm going to build something about. This thing can build something like this. There's another way. We put a space rocket to the moon. I don't know. That's the idea. Or another box. So let me show you now the parts. And we're going to build this right away. All right, so let's move to the installation. So we need to get the Raspberry. I will leave you all the links in the video. So I will download the full version. Just make it real easy to set up the Wi-Fi. But if you're working with this before, you can grab the live version. The next one, I always use No++. That's an extra to make some changes. And to uncompress the image, it's a real good software. You download the version requires for your PC. So what we're going to do now, we're going to load the image. I'm going to select the image. Be careful the next bar when you choose it. Make sure you uncompress it to the right drive and not delete something that's really important for you. So we're going to click right there. It takes about 6 minutes or 5 minutes to do that. We're going to cut the video anyway. But we click start. When then make sure the next bar, when you finish, it give you like a format disk. Make sure do not format. Click cancel. Because now you're going to remove the disk. And we're going to go straight to the Raspberry Pi. We're going to reboot for the first time. As you see, I got to put some type of the keyboard on it. So I put the keyboard power in the video. We got the desktop version. Next thing, we're going to turn on your Wi-Fi. Choose your network. And it's done. We're going to change another configuration. We're going to put the name. I call it Bitcoin counter. You can call it whatever you want. And the next thing, I'm going to turn on the SSH. I will tell you to turn it on for this time. When you finish, you should turn it off because you always can have a problem if somebody try to get attacked into your network. Or also, I recommend you to disable your root access and create a new user. But if you don't get too complicated, We're going to activate it for now and then deactivate it. Seems you're not going to be lagging to this all the time. One is running, you leave it somewhere in the house, done. Let's reset it now. So I'm already in my SSH. Get in. We're going to type few codes. Pretty simple. Like I said, it's in the videos, one line. Make sure it's going to ask you at least 2 times, yes or no. You're going to click yes. I edited the video so it's not too long. I'm going to ask you yes. Just put yes the next time. It takes about a few minutes installation. It's only one installation. It will activate everything. Activate the chip, the communication to the scanner. So no other configurations required. Done at that point. So now we're going to hit this up. I'm going to make the screen a little bigger. Oh, what I got to do now, I'm sorry. We have to create a directory. Let's just go to the home. And you can go there and make a directory. For me, simple this way. We're going to call it Bitcoin. Simple. Then we're going to go into the GitHub. Grab the code. All right, let's go to the GitHub. You're going to download it there. You can download it. You can copy paste and create nano. Create a new file if you want. We'll make it easy. We download the zip, unzip it. Again, go back to the same software. With me simple that way. I'm going to create it right there to the Raspberry Pi. Done. There. We can quick all this. Require that anymore. We can open the terminal a little big. And then now we're going to use Nano and we're going to edit. So next time you put up your Raspberry Pi Zero, automatic will load your counter. So we're going to have one code. Like I said, this is in the description of this video anyway. Do that. X and Y. Save it. Done. So what we're going to do now, we're going to test it. Let's see if it works before we reset anything. So let's try the same line. Let's execute it. And should go. That's it. You see? It's working perfect. So now, next time you reboot the system, that's it. It will show up with no problem. Now what we got to do is, I'm going to change anyway the password for the main root user or the Pi user. I'm going to change that. And we're going to disable this SSH. Don't require me to do that anymore. Do sudo raspberry config. Let's change the password anyway. We want to leave the default. Change that. And the next one, we're going to turn off SSH. Don't require me to log in anymore. Done. We reboot. And now what we're going to do, we're going to try. We're going to do sudo reboot. All right. So let's try that now. And let's reset the system. Okay. At this point, I no longer need the mouse. I no longer need anything. So remove all. The only thing is power. And after you see, where did they come out? It's real nice. Look at that. Like I said, again, I use the acrylic box. You can use any of the type of box. Anyway, right in the description of the video is all the parts that require you to build it. And you can put it anywhere in your house. So you show your friends, and you can see the numbers. I hope goes to the moon and be all happy. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.